Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to tackle a slightly more complicated completing the square problem. So the first step is to, if necessary, factor out the leading coefficient. But in this case it is necessary. We have a leading coefficient of 7, so we factor that out. We factor out of the first two terms. And then I'll leave a plus, a blank. I'll carry down the minus 1. And then I'm going to write 0 plus blank. Okay, now we need to complete the square. To complete the square, we take half, we focus in on this b is equal to 4. We take half of b. That would be equal to 1/2 times 4, which is 2. So we take that, we take 1/2 of b, we take 2 in other words, and we square it. And we add it to both sides. But we have to be a little bit careful here. We can't just add just 2 squared to this side to compensate, because we've also got this 7 that's being distributed through each of these terms. So really we have to compensate by adding 7 times 2 squared to the right, not just 2 squared. Okay, so now we complete the square. We write this as 7 times x plus, and then we just basically capture this number right here. It's x plus 2 squared, like that. And then minus 1 is equal to, and now I'll carry out what this is. It's 2 squared times 7, that's 28. All right, now we just have to solve the resulting equation. So maybe I'll just do one more step right here. Plus 1, we get 7 times x plus 2 quantity squared is equal to 29. Next, we could take both sides of the equation and divide them both by 7. This leaves us with x plus 2 squared is equal to 29 divided by 7. And we can't really reduce this or anything. And then next we can take the square root of both sides. This leaves us with x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 29 over 7. And then we can subtract 2 from both sides, leaving us with x equals minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 29 over 7. So that's the end of this video. I just wanted to show you a fairly quick explanation of how we can factor, or rather how we can complete the square to take this this quadratic and complete the square and get something that allows us to find the solutions when factoring alone might not be enough to do the trick. So I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you all in the next one.